If you are looking for a business phone system that combines calls, video meetings, live chat, and customer support tools in one platform, you have probably heard about 3CX. In this video, we'll quickly go over what 3CX is, its main features, the pros and cons, pricing, and whether it's actually worth using in 2026. What is 3CX? 3CX is a business communication platform mainly designed for companies that need a modern VoIP phone system. And instead of relying on traditional office phones, 3CX lets teams make calls through desktop apps, mobile devices, web browsers, or IP phones. It's commonly used by small businesses, customer support teams, remote teams, and even larger companies looking for a cheaper alternative to traditional PBX systems. Main features: VoIP calling. The core feature is internet based calling. You can make and receive business calls, transfer calls, record conversations, create call queues, use auto attendance, and voicemail. The call quality is generally solid as long as your internet connection is stable. Mobile and desktop apps. 3CX works on Windows, Mac, iPhone, Android web browsers. This makes it easy for remote teams to stay connected from anywhere. Video conferencing. 3CX also includes built in video meetings. You can host virtual meetings, share screens, chat during calls, invite users without recurring downloads. It's convenient for businesses that want communication tools in one place. Live chat integration. Another useful feature is website live chat. Businesses can add a chat widget to their website and convert chats into phone calls when needed. This is especially helpful for sales and support teams. CRM integrations. 3CX integrates with platforms like HubSpot, Salesforce, Microsoft 365, Google Workspace. This helps teams manage customer interactions more efficiently. Pros: affordable compared to traditional phone systems. One of the biggest advantages is pricing. 3CX is usually cheaper than many legacy PBX solutions and some cloud phone competitors. Self hosted or cloud options. You can either host it yourself or use cloud hosting. That flexibility is great for businesses with different technical needs. Easier remote work support. Because of the mobile and desktop apps, remote employees can work almost like they are in the office. Feature rich. You get calling, meetings, live chat, and integrations in one platform, and instead of paying for multiple separate tools. Cons: setup can be technical. For beginners, the initial setup can feel complicated, especially if you self host the system. Some businesses may need IT support during deployment. Interface feels dated in some areas. While functional, parts of the interface do not feel as modern as some newer communication platforms. Advanced features require higher plans. Some important features are locked behind more expensive plans, which can increase costs for larger teams. Pricing: 3CX offers several pricing tiers depending on number of users, hosting method, advanced features. There is also a free version with limited functionality, which is useful for small teams wanting to set the platform first. For the latest pricing, check the official website. Final verdict and conclusion. So is 3CX worth it? For businesses that want a flexible and affordable communication system with VoIP calling, video meetings, and live chat in one platform, 3CX is definitely a strong option. It's especially good for remote teams and companies trying to reduce communication costs. However, if you want the simplest setup process or the most modern interface, there are easier alternatives out there. Overall, 3CX offers a lot of value for businesses that need a complete communication solution without paying enterprise level prices. And that is it for the 3CX review. If you find this video helpful and useful, please make sure to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment down below, share this video to your friends, and let me know down below in the comments if you would choose 3CX over competitors like RingCentral, Zoom Phone, or Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.